Get ready to embark on an astonishing journey as we delve into the mesmerizing realm of AI influencers, a digital revolution sweeping across social media. These influencers not only garner more likes than some of their human counterparts, but also amass millions of followers and secure hefty paychecks, sometimes reaching thousands of dollars for a single Instagram post. What's truly mind-boggling is that they're not real individuals. They are entirely AI-generated. Yet they ink lucrative brand deals and lucrative sponsorships, sealing monumental business agreements. And what does this mean for you? It's quite straightforward. You can become a part of the current AI influencer trend. Create your very own AI influencer and monetize it. Secure lucrative brand deals and sponsorships, and build your own profitable business, all without having to put yourself in the public eye with your own image or voice. Are you intrigued? Well, stay tuned until the end of the video to not miss any steps. Today, we're taking it up a notch, introducing you to a tool that will expand your creative arsenal, enabling you to create breathtaking AI images. Are you prepared to embark on this thrilling journey? Step 1. Crafting images with Tensor Art. We'll harness the power of Tensor Art, a completely free tool at your disposal. We have a myriad of models to choose from for generating images, but our top pick is Juggernaut Aftermath, known for its stunning realism. When you launch this model, you'll encounter an interface resembling the one you see right here. On the left side, you'll find options to input your prompts, including the intriguing option for negative prompts. You can keep your prompts short if you prefer. It's entirely up to you. But the real magic happens with the seed number. This seemingly simple value holds immense power. For instance, let's use a memorable random number like 1234. Then, we proceed to the prompt section. In the prompt section, we can conjure an image with a prompt like, a captivating woman with an infectious smile, cascading ebony locks, astonishingly realistic. Once the prompt is in place, we hit generate, and in just a matter of seconds, behold, the images spring to life. The initial results may not always meet our expectations, but fret not. We can easily tweak the seed values and adjust our prompts, then regenerate. Take a gander at these results. They're so photorealistic, capturing intricate details like skin texture, that they could pass for a genuine person. We are thrilled with this model. Step 2. Transforming the AI influencer's appearance. Now, let's move on to altering our AI influencer's attire. If we desire variations in the images, such as different outfits, settings, locales, and poses, it's as easy as a slight tweak to our prompt. Suppose we want her to sport a snazzy hat and stylish glasses. We simply add wearing hat and glasses to the prompt and hit generate. Voila. The same individual now flaunts glasses and a hat. Let's also explore how we can change the backdrop. Imagine we want her to be sipping coffee in a cozy cafe. In that case, we just type, sitting in a coffee shop, in the prompt. And behold, here are the results. And now she's nestled comfortably in a coffee shop. Notice how seamlessly the facial features match the new scene. On rare occasions, we might encounter a different model, but don't worry. We'll guide you through resolving this hiccup. Step 3. Image-to-image transformation. Should you wish to change her posture, perhaps mirroring a specific lady's stance, we can employ the image-to-image option. First, you upload a reference image and choose the appropriate aspect ratio based on the input image. Without altering any other settings, you hit generate. Behold, these are the output results, and she's flawlessly mimicking the pose. Feel free to experiment with various camera angles, postures, and settings, catering to your creative preferences. Step 4. Harmonizing facial features. As promised, we'll demonstrate how to fine-tune facial features using the locally stable diffusion with the roof extension. We have an in-depth video on this topic that covers installation, and you'll find the link in the description. Access stable diffusion through your browser. Crafting realistic images with roof is a breeze. Utilize the Image-to-Image tab. Start by uploading the target image, then adjust the dimensions to match the original image using the protractor symbol. Next, place your desired image below and activate the roof extension. You can upscale the image if needed. In this case, I've maintained the original resolution. For rendering settings, there's the Denoise strength option. If you only need a photo, you can set this to a very low value to save GPU power. Once your settings are dialed in, click Generate. At this point, we'll fast forward through the processing, And as you can see here, we obtain a beautifully detailed and usable result. Now, let's examine together the newly generated images. Form your own impressions.
Always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb.
The major advantage here is the simplicity and efficiency of this method. You save a significant amount of time while achieving exceptional quality. Give this tool a whirl. Take your time to experiment and replicate the process for more images. At this juncture, I'll expedite the process. Step 5. Crafting a social media persona. With all the pieces in place, it's time to breathe life into your AI influencer. Create an Instagram, TikTok, or OnlyFans account tailored to your AI creation. Be imaginative, draw inspiration from other accounts, and weave a unique influencer persona. I trust you've grasped the process and are ready to dive in. Forge your extraordinary AI influencer and relish the adventure. Generate a few images and start sharing them. It's now easier than ever to bring your creation to life in just a few steps. There are no more excuses not to give it a shot. Set the stage for viral fame on TikTok, OnlyFans, or any platform of your choice. Embrace the future. It's already unfolding. Drop a comment if you'd like to see more AI-related videos, and show your support with a like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more engaging content. Join the AI revolution. Until next time, take care, and I'll catch you in our next exploration of tech trends.